Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to a thrilling exploration of the cutting-edge world of very large-scale integration, VLSI, and its latest groundbreaking advancements in semiconductor design. Today, we embark on a journey to push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of microelectronics. Our first stop takes us to the heart of innovation, an advanced chip manufacturing facility. Here, state-of-the-art machines operate with precision and finesse, etching intricate patterns onto silicon wafers, the building blocks of modern microprocessors. These machines use extreme ultraviolet, EUV, lithography, a revolutionary technique that allows for the creation of smaller and more densely packed transistors. This, in turn, leads to higher performance and energy-efficient chips. Next, we venture into a design automation lab, where teams of talented engineers and researchers utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning to expedite the design process. With the growing complexity of semiconductor designs, AI plays a pivotal role in optimizing layouts, reducing power consumption, and predicting potential failure points. We are now able to explore design spaces that were previously considered unfeasible. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a peek into the realm of quantum computing, where the boundaries of traditional semiconductor design are transcended. Quantum computing leverages the principles of quantum mechanics, allowing us to perform computations at an unimaginable scale. It's a true testament to how VLSI has evolved, accommodating the unique challenges of this nascent technology. As we move forward, we delve into the crucial stage of chip testing and validation. Here, rigorous assessments ensure the reliability and functionality of these tiny marvels. Incorporating billions of transistors on a single chip demands robust testing methodologies. We deploy advanced techniques, including built-in self-tests and fault simulation, to identify and rectify any defects. No exploration of VLSI's latest breakthroughs would be complete without insights from industry visionaries. Our continuous quest to push the boundaries of semiconductor design is driven by the insatiable thirst for more powerful, efficient, and reliable computing systems. The future holds exciting possibilities, from brain-inspired neuromorphic computing to the integration of photonics and electronics on the same chip. As our journey comes to a close, we stand in awe of the relentless pursuit of excellence in VLSI and semiconductor design. The latest breakthroughs pave the way for a future where technology continues to empower and transform our lives. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary expedition into the world of semiconductor design. For more cutting-edge content and updates, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating.